Hey everyone, welcome back to AyTish-Update. Today I'm going to share something that can completely change the way you speak English. If you want to become fluent in English, you must learn to think in English, not in Hindi. Most people try to speak English, but their mind is still working in Hindi. They think first in Hindi, then translate every sentence into English. And by the time they speak, they either get stuck or forget what to say. So today, I'll teach you how to break this habit and train your mind to think directly in English, naturally and confidently. Section 1. Why you must think in English. When you were a child, you never translated Hindi to speak Hindi, right? You just listened, understood, and spoke. That's how language works. It's not about translation, it's about connection. If you always translate Hindi into English, your brain becomes slow. But if you start thinking in English, your brain becomes automatic. Imagine this. You see water, your mind should say water, not pani. You feel hungry. Your mind should say, I'm hungry, not mujhe bhuk lagi hai. When you start doing this, your fluency will increase naturally because your mind and tongue will speak the same language. English. Section 2. How to train your mind to think in English. Let's talk about how you can actually do this, step by step. Step 1. Start with small thoughts. Don't try to make big, complicated sentences. Start simple. This is my phone. I'm feeling sleepy. It's time for breakfast. I should go to college. These small sentences help your brain get comfortable with English thinking. Step 2. Narrate your day in English every morning when you wake up. Say in English what you are doing. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm wearing my shoes. I'm leaving for work. Do this daily. Within 10 days, you'll start thinking naturally in English. Step 3. Stop translating. This is very important. When you don't know a word, don't stop or panic. Use another simple word or describe it. For example, if you don't remember the word ceiling, say the top of the room. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about continuous speaking. Step 4. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, and songs. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning silently. Soon you'll start forming sentences automatically. Step 5. Talk to yourself. When you are alone, talk to yourself in English. It may sound funny, but it really works. Say things like, what should I eat today? Where are my keys? I need to call my friend. Talking to yourself builds confidence and trains your tongue to move faster in English. Section 3. A short motivational story, 4:30 to 5:30. Let me tell you a short story. There was a boy named Rohit who wanted to speak English fluently, but every time he tried, he started translating Hindi into English in his mind, and people laughed at him because he was slow and nervous. One day his teacher said, Rohit, stop thinking in Hindi. From today, think only in English. Even if it's wrong, just speak. Rohit started doing that daily. He began talking to himself in English, thinking in English, even dreaming in English. Within 3 months, people who once laughed at him were now asking, Bhai, how did your English become so good? And Rohit said, I didn't learn English. I started living English. Conclusion. End. So friends, remember, translation makes you slow, but thinking in English makes you fluent. From today, make a promise to yourself. No more Hindi thinking. I will think, speak, and dream in English. Because fluency is not about grammar. It's about confidence, consistency, and mindset. So tell me in the comments, do you still translate Hindi to English in your head? And if yes, from today, will you stop? If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AyTish-Update for more easy English tips and motivational learning videos.